Alright, previously we had seen how to split shapefiles in ArcGIS. Now we're going to see how to merge files in ArcGIS. So previously we have splitted the 7 different divisions of this particular shapefile into 7 different shapefiles. So let's open those files, open particular 3 files. For say I'm going to open Dhaka, Chittagong and Rangpur. So I'm going to merge Dhaka, Chittagong and Rangpur to create a new shapefile that is going to be the combination of these 3 shapefiles. Okay, so to do that, let's go to our toolbox, and from here we're going to open data management tools. From there we're going to go to general, and then you'll see the merge tool there. There you go. Now we have to input the data sets. I'm going to input Dhaka, then we have Chittagong, and then we have our Rangpur. This 3 shapefiles. We're going to be merging them. Now let's click on OK. And it'll take some time. There we go. This is our new shapefile that has these 3 shapefiles attached to it. Now if we open the attributes table, you'll see that there are 3 objects in this particular shapefile. There are 3 polygons in this particular shapefile, and it's showing which polygons. So it's showing our division number 3, division number 2 and division number 6 of the main map. There we go. And all the other attributes we have seen previously. So as you can see, this is a whole shapefile, and these are the separate shapefiles. Let's close that first. These are the separate shapefiles, and this is the whole shapefile. Okay. And this was our main file. So yeah, this is how you can merge shapefiles in ArcGIS. Thank you very much for watching.